Of recording. Hey dogs. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna test this giant paper airplane that Kyle let me have. And yeah, I'm gonna go outside in the crappy weather. I think it just rained. It don't look bad out on the camera, but in real life it's freezing. Not really. Well, I don't live in Canada. Alright, anyways, I guess I'll see you outside and I'm gonna test this out. I would wait until Kyle gets here, but I'm bored. Alright. Okay, so I may have just screwed up this thing. It's actually kind of bent. So it might not work as well as it did, but I'm still gonna test it. Alright. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Alright, wait. Just gonna. Whoa. Alright. Now. How am I gonna do this? Oh my god. It's. Okay. Okay, it's kind of windy out here, so it's gonna be kind of hard. I mean, I'm just gonna test it. Go this way. Oh my god, it's so windy. Here we go. Huh. Yeah. That was sucky. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna try that again. A little harder this time. It's all messed up. Oh my, yeah, okay. This thing is like bent. Why? What did I do? Oh well, I'm still doing it. Oh, it's windy. Okay. Well, I mean, went farther. Okay, I'm just checking. Went farther. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Well, this thing's pretty much screwed. Oh my god. Oh god. Get the frick out. Look at this thing. This poor thing is messed up. I'm gonna probably fix it. Well, I'm in the video here. I don't know. I'm gonna ask Kyle if he can make anything bigger than that. That'd be amazing. That'd be amazing. Well, alright. Let's see here. Let's see if this video can hit 5 likes, because I'm not going for where Kyle went yesterday. And then, if this video hits 5 likes, I'll try to do more of that. I'm going to ask him to make another one. I can't make paper airplanes, but that's crap. So, it may look fine, but no. No, it's not. I was also chewing gum this entire time. Well, right. So yeah, 5 likes. I'm gonna try to do more of that because I want another one. I don't know if he can make one bigger than that, but if so, they'd be amazing. But yeah, I guess yeah. Man, do you want to do my outro? Here. Yeah, alright. Yeah.